Hi friends, welcome back to Cooking with Miss Perry. Today we're going to be making cowboy boots, and this is what it looks like. And it's very tasty, I think. I had some of the scraps. Let me taste it. Very good. I thought it might taste like dirt when I was eating the bottom of the shoe, but it didn't. It was very good. Okay, keep watching to see how you get to make it too. Okay friends, so for today's cooking, all you're going to need is a piece of bread, and you can use wheat bread or white bread, whatever bread you have. You will need a piece of cheese. I'm going to use cheddar so it looks golden, and some jelly. And I have grape jelly, but if you want to use like apricot jam or strawberry jelly, that's great too. And you'll need a little knife. And I'm using a plastic one because I don't want to get hurt. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your bread and put it on a plate, and be very careful because you're going to be cutting the bread into a shape. So I'm going to make mine look like a cowboy boot. And to do that, I'm going to make a straight cut right here. And this is like my little scrap. So I'm going to put him to the side. I'm going to eat him later. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make, this is going to be the heel of the boot. So I'm going to cut it up like this. And I've never made this before, so I'm doing it for the first time with you guys. Then I'm going to make a little front part of the boot like this. Can you see that's where the heel is? Right there. I'm going to make it go this way. I'm just trying to make it, I'm trying to cut it in the shape of a cowboy boot or cowgirl boot. Like that. See the front part of the boot right there? And I'm going to cut it straight up like this. And this is all going to be extra stuff I can eat. All right, what do you guys think of that? Is that a pretty good boot? Your guys, this is probably going to look better than Miss Perry's. I'm going to cut this part at the top. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our cheese. And I'm going to put mine on my plate. I'm going to scoot this to the side for just a moment. And on this, we have to make a spur. And a spur is what a cowboy has on the back of his boot. And it kind of looks like a star. And they use it to get the horses to start running or do what they want them to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a star in my cheese. And this might be tricky. So just do the best you can. If you could just make a triangle, if that's easier. I'm going to try my best to make a star, but it's kind of hard. Uh-oh, my cheese is ripping a little bit. Uh-oh. Okay, the corner came off of my star, but I tried my best, and that's all that I need to do. So I'm going to move this to the side. That you get to eat too, that little extra. And this is going to be my spur. So I'm going to put my spur on the side like that. Boy, it's really starting to look like a cowboy boot. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my jelly. And I'm going to put some details on the boot right here. I'm going to make some little details like this. Boy, that looks nice. This is kind of reminding me of a peanut butter and jelly, except I'm not using any peanut butter. But the ingredients are similar. Okay. And there's your cowboy boot. If you want to put some more on, what Miss Perry's probably going to do is I'm probably going to cover this whole thing in jelly before I eat it. Alrighty, and there's your cowboy boot. Okay friends, there you go. Now you get to make your very own cowboy boot, and you have a tasty treat. See you guys next time.